We're going to clean the fan, the heat exchanger fan in the pellet stove today. It's, you can see the dust is starting to build up on here. That's how I know it's usually time to do this. So the fan is running right now. In fact, the whole stove is running right now. It's too cold to shut it off. So we're going to go ahead and clean it while it's on. Oh no! Yep, we're doing it. So, just grab my cleaners here. We're going to use compressed air and a toothbrush if we need to really get it off. So I'm going to turn the fan off now. It runs for a couple minutes without the fan on. The flame is on small right now. It's a little hot up here. That's not ideal, but I'll make it happen. Oh, it's actually not that bad. It's not that bad at all. But we'll give it a quick blast of compressed air anyways, just as a preventative. Oh yeah, see, it does have some dust in there. Oh, now the room is all dusty, which is not ideal either, but yeah, it's good enough for now. Okay, and then I'll reset this. This is like, it's a clean it indicator. Put the fan back on, and we're good to go for another month or so.